How to install LiveChat to CoreCommerce store. CoreCommerce, add a chat to your store and amaze your customers with the exceptional customer service. All of that with just a few simple steps that will allow you to close more deals in the process. 1. To begin, log into your CoreCommerce store administration panel. There, choose Design tab from the menu on the left. 2. Pick Edit HTML/CSS from the list of available options. 3. On the next section, choose footer.html as the file that you would like to edit. 4. Now, paste your LiveChat code just before the closing tag of your footer. Changes to the footer. To do that, click on Publish button, available above the area where you have pasted the code. Done. Now LiveChat is added to your CoreCommerce and you can start closing more deals, by providing your customers with the exceptional customer service. And here's how it'll look like on your store. Hopefully, you have found this article helpful, but if you have any additional questions, feel free to start a chat with LiveChat. They are available 24/7/365. Hit https://lc.chat/664k and get yourself started with LiveChat.